We've installed some Sunland PolyCORE shutters in a park model in the little dining room area. And we went ahead and came across and we did it in the little corner sink here, and they'll open up, pulling out so they can get into them to clean them instead of pulling in. These are really good to keep clean out here in Arizona in the desert. And this one is nice because they'll do a 9-inch wide shutter. Most won't. And you have to go outside mount. We're able to stay inside mount with the Z frame here. There were many blinds in here before, and this has really changed this whole room for sure. Little nook area. And you can see out a lot more, and they're really, really nice. Charlie's your uncle.